What's up, y'all? It's your boy Justo ENT back with another video, man. Shit good as hell. But look, wait, hold on. I'm not getting paid for this or nothing, but shit, look, go check this out, man. Go peak tea, lemonade tea, best thing ever. I swear, bro. This is so good, bro. Especially when it's nice and cold. It was a little warm right now. It was still good, though.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
But yeah, go get you some, bro. Shit, definitely decent. But look, we back with another video, man, with another reaction. We finna be reacting to some more now Choppa, NLE Choppa, whatever, how you say his name, bro. Song called Bird Box. Did I say Bird Box? Bird Boy. Dumbass. Somehow Bird Box. Fuck. My ass retarded, but look, yeah. Bird Box. Bird Boy. What the fuck is wrong with me?
I don't know what's going on. Hey,
okay. But Bird Boy, official music video. I'm tweaking it, I'm tweaking, G. Hold on, man. But look, it got 500K views. The link it is gonna be down in the description below if you want to check out the full video for yourself. Make sure y'all follow my social medias at the bottom right here for all notifications, new videos, all that. And if y'all enjoy the video, like and subscribe. I got some new intro and an outro. I think it's decent. Let me know how it look. Y'all gotta start leaving more comments on my videos, man, so I can know what to do to improve my videos, what I'm doing wrong, what I'm doing good, pros, cons, all that, bro. Tell me, like, you feel me, like, give me advice, something, you feel me? Like, just talk to me, G. Leave me some comments or something. It don't take that long. But yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video, man. Alright, let's get into this video. Let's get into this thing, let's get it popping, you feel me? But alright, let's get into it. Bird Boy. That Sprite so look good. Ooh, that shit sound like... Alright, bro, that shit cringy as hell. Ugh, hold on, folks. Damn.
Huh? Yeah. I don't even think y'all niggas ready. Yeah. They not ready, bro. Hey, they ready?
Oh, you see, this shit gonna be lit, bro.
Yeah.
Bro, why is this nigga in his drawers, bro?
Choppa got the kid bad, leave him on the kick.
Hold on,
Nigga
G.
call me doo-doo, yeah, I'm the shit, man. Nigga talking shit, so I fired on this bitch ass. Glock, freeze him, up, yeah.
How is this nigga in his drawers? Hold on, G. Hold on.
That's a bitch, man. If a nigga play, I'ma hit him broad day with a cake, make a nigga go, yeah.
If a nigga play, I'm gonna hit him broad day with a cake, make a nigga... Oh, shit.
Make a nigga shake earthquake, yeah. Nigga on real, you fake,
Yeah.
Glizzy, we left hold it gone. I do it for real, you do it for fun. When the ops see me, you know they gon' run. I hang out the window, shoot shit like LeBron. You know that I hit them, I had to get them. They thought I was bowling, I had to split them. 7.62, cut them down the middle. Cooking them up like a fucking McGriddle. Saw me in the game, and you know that I'm a score, bitch. 3 shots, take them out.
Why is this nigga in his drawers, bro? What the fuck?
Suck on my dick while my balls be hanging.
Suck on my dick while my balls be hanging. Hey.
What the fuck? Bitch, stop calling my phone. I hit her one time, then I leave her
Why this
alone.
nigga
I know
in
I'm
his
not right, cause
drawers,
I'm doing
bro?
her wrong. Just like a dog, I just want a bone. We making them serve, we serving the cone. I'm a real nigga, you cannot clone. I'm cold with this shit like my first name was Stone. I'm still a menace. Wait. What the fuck? I am a
I like how this nigga just took over the corner store,
my
bro.
metal, cook him like a vegetable. She eating my dick like that bitch is an edible. I'm clutching my metal, cook him like a vegetable. She eating my dick like that bitch is an edible. I'm clutching my metal, cook him like a
Hell
vegetable.
no, Merch still had him in there. Oh
Back in
my
that grade, I
god.
was lame, I was bruised, now I'm up and bless him. That's a hallelujah. Bop, 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 bop. Slap,
Slack, chop. Hell no, bro. Alright, bro, that was Bird Boy, bro. Why was that nigga in his drawers? G? What the fuck? I was damn near naked, bro. Like, put some clothes on, G. What's wrong with niggas? But yeah, that was Bird Boy by NLE Choppa. Link of that gonna be in the description below. Go check it out. Definitely was decent, bro. Hell no. He always got them good vibes in his video. That's why I like his music, bro. Especially his music videos. It should be lit. That was a video. More videos dropping after this, so stay tuned. I will slow it down just a little bit. You feel me? I'm gonna slow it down just a little bit, bro. Cause my views just went down. G, like, what happened to the love, bro? That was so a decent love, bro. Then my shit just. But yeah, bro. Happy brother out, bro. Yeah. Follow my social media at the bottom. Like I always say, notifications gonna be on there. If y'all like the video, leave a like and subscribe. Turn on post notifications. So without any further ado, we out this thing. Peace out, bro.
Take me out, yeah. Can't believe how they did it. None of you niggas say take me out. Bro, step on the floor, I got paper now.